Right, so it's your time to get involved. Now, this video is purely to ask you guys if you want any areas of gardening or allotmenting, or is that even a word, allotmenting, covered. Is there anything that I've maybe touched upon and that you wanted us to delve a little bit deeper into, or is there something that I just completely haven't talked about? Now's your chance to put your comments in the box below. Anything you want us to talk about, I'll do a video on. And I think it was last January, I did what I'm calling a 7 in 7, a great name, and 7 videos in 7 days. And I think that was at the start of January. And I might do something similar this year if we get enough kind of topics and stuff. So just a quick video of this one. Anything you want us to talk about, pop in below, and I'll do my best to get those videos done for you. All right, thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, cheers, bye.